In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up your gamification Notion template. This guide is designed to help you seamlessly integrate gamification into your Notion workspace, making your tasks more engaging and enjoyable. All right, let's get started. First, you'll want to open your Notion app and navigate to the home screen. If you're not already there, simply click on the Notion icon at the top left corner. This is where everything begins. So it's essential to be familiar with this space as your starting point for customization. Next, on the left-hand side of your home screen, you will see a list of options. Among them is the Marketplace. You might need to scroll a little bit to find it, as it's usually located in the menu you don't often visit during daily use. The Marketplace is a fantastic place where you can explore various templates created by the community. These templates are a great way to extend Notion's functionality, especially if you're looking to gamify your tasks and projects. Once you've opened the Marketplace, you'll see a search bar at the top of the page. You'll want to go ahead and type gamification into this search bar. This will bring up a list of templates and projects related to gamifying your workspace. It's all about creating a productivity experience that is not only efficient but also enjoyable. In your search results, keep an eye out for the gamification project, subtitled Gamify Your Life. This template is designed to make organizing your tasks and goals not only effective, but also enjoyable. It creates a game-like environment in your Notion, adding an element of fun to task management. Click on this result to learn more about what this template has to offer. Finally, when you're ready and confident that this is the template for you, simply click on Add. With just one click, this will integrate the gamification template into your Notion workspace, ready for you to use. It's a straightforward process that unlocks new ways of managing your day-to-day tasks through gamification. Whether you're tracking your habits, setting goals, or just trying to inject a bit more fun into your productivity routine, this template can be a game changer. There you have it. You've successfully set up your gamification Notion template, making your tasks more enjoyable and engaging. I hope you found this guide helpful and that it makes your time using Notion even more productive. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to reach out. Thanks for watching and happy gamifying.